Welcome to the Secret Writer's end-screen tutorial video. In this video we're going to run through how we use end screens in the Secret Writer, and we're going to give you a few tips on how you can use them in your own videos. End screens are an integral part of the Secret Writer. We use them as a tool to guide people through the whole project and to make sure that people get the opportunity to see every video in every round. On our channel we've got the playlist section here, and you can click on a playlist for every single round and you can see every video that was in that round. We're going to use an example here from the Secret Writer 666, which was our Halloween special, and we're going to use Tutu Sugar's video as an example. So here we go. We're not going to play the whole video. If you want to watch this video, and I suggest you do because it's a good one, click on the link up on the top right hand corner of the screen now and you can see what he did. So we'll skip through now to the end where T's end screen comes in, which is about here.
Boo! And if you like to see more from the Secret Writer 6, here is the playlist on the screen. And go see the next video in the playlist. Click on this link here.
So you can see the timing was out slightly there, and the reason for that is end screens have a maximum time of 20 seconds. So T obviously recorded his video and then added the end screen in afterwards. Because his end screen total time was a bit longer than 20 seconds, it meant he couldn't get the end screen elements up at the right time to sync in with him speaking. What he's got here is a link to the playlist. The reason we would use that is that anybody that's watching T's video after the whole event has happened can click this and they can watch through the rest of the videos in order. Anybody that gets a notification because they're subscribed to T and they get a notification that his video is premiering, so they join live but they aren't watching the playlist. If we didn't have this link to the next video from Nerve, they would end his video and go off and do something else. Because they've picked up on the fact that this video is part of a project and they can see that the next video is Nerves, we hope that they'll click that and they'll follow through to see the rest of the videos afterwards. Obviously anybody coming back at any point can click on the playlist, and T also mentioned something else which is a good thing to do, and we suggest you all do that for the Secret Writer here.
And all the links to all the other great writers is down in the description.
So the main part of the Secret Writer is about helping each other out, promoting to help build a community. T mentioned there that he's got the links to all of the other artists' YouTube channels below, which you can see in his description. So anybody watching T's videos can follow through and see anybody that took part and have a look at their other videos. Brilliant job, T, thanks for that. So let's step now over to YouTube Studio and I'll give you a quick run through on how you actually set up the end screen. So in Studio, you want to go over to Content and pick up the video that you want to add an end screen to. Over on the right hand side here, you'll see all the video elements, and we can click on end screen there. So the video that I'm using here is a 60-second short trailer for the Secret Writer 12, which is happening on Saturday the 11th of March, starting for 5 PM UK time. And this video doesn't currently have an end screen, it's only a 60-second video, so taking up 20 seconds out of that 60-second video for an end screen would be disproportionate. So here are some end screens that I've used before on the Secret Writer channel. You can also create your end screen from scratch by adding elements. And there are different types of elements you can add. In an end screen you can add a video. That can be one of your videos or any video on YouTube. You can add a playlist. That can be your playlist or any video or any playlist on YouTube. You can add a subscribe link, a channel link, and if you've got more than 500 subscribers, you can add a link that goes off to an external source. So that could be a link to your website, to your Instagram, to Linktree, anything like that. In the Secret Writer, we want two links. We want a playlist and we want a video. So if I click on video first, this video would be to the next video in the series. So the options I get on my most recent upload a choice of the best for the viewer. So YouTube will use some form of algorithm to decide on that, or a specific video. I want to choose a specific video. When I click on that, I can see my videos, but I can also search for videos from other channels. What I would suggest you do is speak to the person whose video comes after yours, get them to email you or send you their link in a DM. You can paste that link directly into here. As an example, I'll look for a video from Vent1, and we'll just choose this video. So now I've got the next video that's coming up in the playlist, linked on the right, and I want to add another element to the playlist itself. So here are my playlists. I can also search for a playlist from someone else, or I can use the link if I've been provided it. So anyone taking part in the Secret Writer will have the link for the next playlist, and they can use that. I'll use an example here. The video that we watched from T was from Secret Writer 666, so I'll add that here. You've got a bit of freedom with the sizes of the links. You can play around with them, get them to be positioned in proportion to your video in the background. So I quite like to add some blank space at the end of my video, maybe with me in the middle talking. And I can put the video's links and the playlist links either side of me speaking, so they're positioned nicely. If you're trying to make your playlist links fit in like T did in his, you need to be aware of that 20-second rule, but you can also adjust them slightly. So the maximum they can be is 20 seconds, but I can make them shorter, and they don't both have to be the same. So if we watch this now,
let us use two opposite colors, such as red and green, or the light and dark of the same color. They can all be used for landscape.
you can see that they both appear at different times. Good for what he did, and you can fit that in with how you're setting up your end screen yourself. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to save to make sure that your changes are applied, and when that video premieres, the end screen will be intact. Make sure you've got the link to the playlist and the link to the person that comes after you. That's it for this tutorial. We'll hope to see you again soon. Peace.